What is up, people of the internet? My name is Avery, and with me right now is the HP Spectre x360 14 for 2024. As I'm heading into my third year of electrical engineering at UBC in the fall, I needed a Windows laptop that would be much more reliable compared to the previous Windows laptops that I've had, and still have all the basics nailed, like a good screen, strong performance, a good keyboard, a good trackpad, good speakers, and a polished build. And I think I found it with this laptop. Specs of my Spectre 14 are as follows. There were multiple configurations that were available at the time of purchase, but I chose the most spec'd out model with an Intel Core Ultra 7 H series CPU, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 2TB SSD, retailing for 2,300 Canadian dollars, which is actually pretty good value compared to the other laptops in this category. Inside the box, we've got some paperwork that consisted of the quick start guide and some warranty information, the power cord for the AC adapter, the 65-watt AC adapter itself, which is actually fairly small, and the HP Active Pen, which comes included with most of the configurations with this laptop. The Active Pen supports 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, is charged via USB-C, and has a 30-day battery life. It can also attach magnetically to the right side of the HP Spectre itself. First impressions of the laptop itself, it was actually a lot lighter than I was expecting. I'm currently used to using a 14-inch MacBook Pro, which is around the same size and weighs 3.5 pounds, or 1.6 kilograms. The Spectre weighs around 3.2 pounds, or 1.44 kilograms, which may be a little cumbersome, especially if you're using it in tablet mode, as this is a 2-in-1 laptop. Despite its weight, I do really like the slate blue aluminum finish, which can shift between a slate gray or blue finish depending on the lighting in the room. Ports are fairly basic, with two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports on the right hand side, with one of them being tucked away on the back corner, and a 10 gigabit USB-A port and a headphone mic combo jack on the left hand side. I kind of wish they put the USB-C ports on both sides of the laptop for charging convenience, but I guess you can't have everything, I suppose. And as a reference, here is the MacBook Pro 14 side by side with this HP Spectre x360 14. And they are pretty much almost exactly the same size and will fit in all the same laptop sleeves and backpacks. The MacBook Pro 14 does have a slightly larger screen at 14.2 inches compared to the 14 inches on the Spectre. Speaking of the screen, as of recording this voiceover right now, the OLED screen on the Spectre is really nice, with decent brightness indoors, really nice colors, and a high enough resolution. I've only been using this laptop for a couple weeks as of making this video, and I really can't wait to start using this during my third year of electrical engineering and see how it holds up. I will make a full review of this laptop after around 5 to 6 months of use, so I can get a long-term experience of using this laptop. Anyways, as always, gently tap the like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell to notify whenever I release a new video. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.